This drink tastes so nasty. So nasty. It's like you gotta brace yourself. I don't know how I'm gonna drink this, but I'm trying. Trying to drink it fast. Well, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's disgusting. Disgusting. But good afternoon. Trying to drink it quick because it's so nasty.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you can drink it quick or slow. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I'll see you around 1:30. And that's yeah. And then, did they want you to go? I mean, then you can just leave after that. And then the doctor, we're sending your report to your doctor.
Okay.
I'll be in and out, like I said. So.
Thank you. This is, and I have to wait until 1:30. Like, I am hungry, and I'm trying to get back to my kids. But good afternoon to y'all too. What time is it? Oh, it's so nasty. All I want to do is get back to my children and eat. Disgusting. Yeah. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to sit here and drink this, but I'm about to tap out. I'm about to tap out. That guy over there looking at me like I'm crazy. He probably don't know what I'm doing, of course. Like I'm talking to myself. So what y'all doing today? What have y'all done today? It's so nasty. Ugh. I just wish I had something to get the taste out of my mouth. There's too much flu and different viruses going around here. I should have had me a mask on to keep me from catching something from somebody. Almost done. But Jesus, this is, I can't say it no more than I already said it. And my head hurt. It's so nasty. Like, what do they put in this? And you got nerve to say tropical fruit flavor. You mean cleaning supply flavor? So nasty. Finally done with that. I'm gonna go try to. Why everybody keeps saying good morning? It's the afternoon. Good afternoon to you. You must be in another state or far away. Must be far away. I'm gonna go stand outside. Hold on. But how are you? I always have like a whole bunch of stuff in my pocket. If I could get this in there. Let's see. Hold on a second. Let's see. Yeah, I always have like a whole bunch of stuff in my pocket. Hey, if the lady comes back looking for me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just standing right there.
Okay. Are you having an X-ray?
A CT scan.
Oh, a CT. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah. I had to come out of there for a minute. I don't like being in areas where it's just closed in and then a lot of people are sick and coughing because they can end up making you sick. Well, duh, right? And then they were looking at me like I was crazy, like, who is she talking to? Why is she talking to herself? That's how they was looking. Like, why is she talking to herself? Yeah, I need to put this over. I don't know if y'all can hear me. My bad, I didn't see the time. Good afternoon. Oh, so it is afternoon for you too. Yeah. It's it has to be almost 1 o'clock. I know that. It has to be almost 1 o'clock. Yeah. I'm getting a CT scan done. I'm tired. I'm ready to eat. My head hurts. I want to go back to my children. I don't want to be here. I'm almost ready to just say forget the test and leave, but I better stick it out so that I can get these results. Right? Yeah, I don't like being in there. So what y'all doing? It's the afternoon. What y'all done today? We done homeschooling and doctor's appointments today again. What y'all doing? And thank you, Jackie. Yeah, they keep delivering stuff. Like, they got the delivery person coming over here delivering food. And I'm like, I want some of that food too. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go get me something to eat. But I can't until after I get this test done. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, but I can't yet. People probably like, I hope she don't have me on their camera. Like, no, I'm not trying to record you. I won't put you on the camera. You don't have to worry about it. Yeah, but tell me something good. What y'all got going on? Tell me something funny. Oh, it hurts so bad. Yeah, I'm ready to leave. Sit right here. I'll sit down for a minute. And it feels like it's getting colder out here. It feels like it's getting colder out here. Tired. It seems like every office I go in, they're just like, shoot, I hope y'all don't get me sick. I'm trying to cover my nose. Just sitting around. Shoot, I wish I was just sitting around, not here though. Not here. I wish I was sitting at home. Wish I was sitting at home with a plate of food. Did you eat today? Did any of y'all eat today? I know some people wake up, get ready for can y'all still hear me? I know some people get up, get ready for work, go to work, still don't eat breakfast or lunch, and then right before they are about to get off from work, then they try to get something to eat, or when they get home, well, get off from work, on their way home, they try to get something to eat. That's how I be. Sometimes I don't get to eat until like the afternoon. Sometimes my sister don't eat until like 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm like, no, that's too long. You're gonna make yourself not feel good. Yeah, I'm cold. I'm ready to go. I got 2 shirts on, y'all. I got 2 shirts on. This jacket. I have another hat in my bag. And pants and some boots. Yesterday it was 75 degrees. Yesterday it was 75 degrees. Today is like 69 degrees. But since I don't feel good, I feel even colder. So that's what that is. Yeah, anybody know what time is it? Let's see what time it is. Let's see if I can. Oh, 12:39. No, she said 1:30. See, 1:30 is too long. I might have to low key rush her. Like, hey, think you can push me ahead now, so I can get this test done and go about my business? Think so? Just riding around, probably looking for an office, getting confused like everybody when they walk around here, probably getting confused. Yeah, I might have to go inside there and be like, hey, they told me 12:15. They didn't tell me no 1:30. So what y'all gonna do about that? We got more people coming in here. Every time somebody walk next to me, they look at me with this look like you better not be recording me. I'm not recording you. You walking where I'm at. Walk around. Trust me. Walk around. I won't follow you. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm so cold and tired. I want to go home. Whoever can be at home right now is so lucky right now, because you got everything you need at home, right? You got food, you got some heat, you got chairs that are comfortable that you can sit in, and you got your family if you have a family. Yeah, I better go check back in there. I'm so tired. My glasses are always super dirty. Always super dirty. I guess it's from the particles in the air, right? I guess it's from the particles, and somebody's coming right now. They're probably like, what in the world is she doing? Holding its phone up to her face. Maybe it won't be too much longer. Maybe I can be done. Hello, finding you? Yeah, maybe that was a nice lady. Maybe I can be done in like another half an hour, right? Yeah, maybe. I know one thing. When I do get to some food, I'm gonna get to some food. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tear that food up in half. I tried to go without eating chicken, but I don't think I can go long without eating chicken. What's y'all favorite kind of food? What y'all like to eat? I can't eat nothing, but I can talk about food. What y'all like to eat? I like to eat chicken and shrimp and broccoli and diced potatoes. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. Yeah, I better go back in here. I better go back in here. Whew. Make sure if I can go ahead, I can go ahead. Yeah.
You think so? We can go out there and wait on her. Sure.
Oh, yeah?
You're always going up in the air. Okay. Yeah, I'll be ready to go in a second. Okay. I wonder what the kids are doing. My hands are going numb. Yeah, my hands are going super numb. Oh, golly. My neck hurts. God. Shit. Yeah, I'm ready to go home now. What time is it? 12:47. That's like another hour. I don't think I'm going to be wanting to wait an hour. Mm. Well, since I'm not doing nothing right now, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Because it's pretty boring up in here, obviously.